It's beginning to smell a lot like Christmas. Hi, welcome back to the Lilac House. My name is Crystal. I'm the face behind these videos. I make a lot of videos about frugal living, organizing, cleaning, recipes, grocery store hauls, you name it. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider subscribing. Today I'm sharing with you a great gift idea. It's a recipe for Stovetop Potpourri. And I'm giving this to our neighbors. My husband's giving them to his coworkers. And you guys, it smells so good. It's a gift I would love to get. So let's get into this video. It's so easy. I love making Stovetop Potpourri to give as gifts because I feel like you get a lot of sweets during the holidays, so this is a great alternative. Also, it's very frugal and it smells really good. Like, this is a gift I would like to get, so I like giving it away. So I bought most of my ingredients at Winco. I've seen them at the Dollar Tree, and you can get them at Walmart or your local grocer. I will leave the price on the screen. I haven't added it up, but I'll leave the price of how much it cost. And yeah, we'll go from here. So I got everything at Winco. These were in big bags. They weren't in the bulk section, but they were in big bags. I got cranberries. These were in the bulk section. They are cloves. And then this rosemary is actually from our garden. And then oranges. And that's all you need. And then you need little baggies. And I got these at the Dollar Tree. I think that the plain cellophane bags would look awesome, or like a mason jar. However, we were trying to be really frugal this year, so we went with the Dollar Tree bags. But you can, like, if you have a little more money to spend, you can do a nice jar. I think that would be really cute, or like just a clear plastic bag. And then I have printouts too, and I will leave the link below where you can get a printout. But this is a great gift idea. And I've given it away to family or friends. My husband gives it to his coworkers, my sister gave it to her coworkers, and then we are going to give it to some of our neighbors. So I bought a lot of cinnamon sticks. So I'm going to do a lot. Plus I think that's where a lot of the smell comes from. You want to do the orange before the cranberries because you don't want the orange to smash the cranberries. And then you just put everything in and you do a handful of cranberries, 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks. I already have some in there, but I'm gonna add a few more. And then these will just be for smelling. And then about a tablespoon of cloves. And this is optional. You don't have to do the sprigs if you want to save a little more money and you aren't growing any. You definitely don't have to do the rosemary, but we had some growing, so I only do one. It's really, really strong. So I just put one in there. And then these bags from the Dollar Tree are easy to cinch. You just roll backwards like this, and you kind of go around. And then I put on my little tag, and the tag will be in the link. And it says, "Merry Christmas, Stovetop Potpourri." Slice the orange, add everything to a small pot, add 2 cups of water, and simmer on low. Add water as needed. And I've done a few days with mine. It's something that I love to have for the holidays. If I have company coming in, I like to have it going. It just makes your house smell like Christmas. So there is a simple, easy, frugal gift idea.